One of the special sets that we need to talk about, just because it comes up a lot, is the set called the empty set. Like its name implies, this is the set that has no elements or members. Okay, so if you think of a thing, it is not in the empty set. Empty set's definitely a set, it's well defined, I know what's in it, nothing's in it. We can either list this in roster form by cleverly having a set with nothing inside of it, or sometimes we'll use a special symbol that means the empty set, and that's this one. Now, if you draw your zeros like that, you're going to want to not do that when you're talking about sets, because if I'm talking about a set and I see that symbol, I say, oh, that's the empty set. That means the set that has nothing in it. Okay, the empty set's important because just like 0 is nothing, we don't say, oh, it's not important to know about 0 then, because 0 is certainly important in using numbers. The empty set is a set with nothing in it, and that makes it important because we get it when calculations, we want to be able to do things with it. But the big idea is the empty set, the set that has no elements. Let's look at a couple examples. I want to know, is the following set the empty set? So I've got the set of all x, right? A set of all x such that x is a number less than 7 and greater than 10. Okay. Can I think of any numbers that are less than 7 and greater than 10? No, I can't. So when I'm thinking about what's in this set, there isn't anything in this set, and this set is the empty set. Okay, the set of all x such that x is a number less than 10, or sorry, a number less than 7 and greater than 10 is the empty set. All right, let's look at another example. Is this set the empty set? So I look at this set, it seems to be in roster mode, and this set has 0 in it. Well, that means it's not the empty set because there's something in it. In order for it to be the empty set, it has to be empty, have no elements, and 0 is an element of this set, so it is not the empty set. Okay, look at this set. I've got the set of all x such that x is a US state whose name starts with W. Well, what does this set look like? If I think, it's my belief that Wisconsin is in this set. And that's enough for me to say this is not the empty set because I just thought of something that's in it. Wisconsin is an element of this set, so this is not the empty set. It's also my belief that Wyoming and West Virginia are in this set. Okay? But regardless, as long as I can think of one thing that's in a set, it's definitely not the empty set. So the set of all x, such that x is a US state whose name starts with W, is not the empty set. Okay, let's look at this one. This is a set of all x, such that x is a living US president elected before 1900. Now, I shot this video in 2015. So that is 115 years after 1900, and I'm sure there are no 115-year-old plus, because they'd have to be old enough to have been elected, presidents. So no, there's nobody in this set, there's nothing in this set. This is in fact the empty set. Okay, one more example. Is the following set the empty set? Hey, look at that guy. That guy is this guy. Yes, that is a symbol that means the empty set, so that is indeed the empty set.